Okay, folks, Field Agent 440 coming to you with a special treat today from Bob's Classic Cars and Parts. I stumbled across a parking lot that had a Dodge job-rated fire truck here. Not only one, but they had two. Now the other one is gone, but I know where it went to, and as soon as I get time, I'm going to get some video of it. But I thought y'all might like to see this truck right here. It looks like it is ready to roll, and still got hoses and everything on it. And it looks like if it's on fire, this truck's coming to your house. Be coming pretty slow, but it'll be coming. And apparently there's a place here where I live that's got a whole bunch of these fire trucks that they are either restoring or just displaying as they are, and it's going to be that's where the other one went to, and I know where it's at. The other one was an open cab Dodge Firetruck, which I thought was pretty neat. This one right here is not the open cab, but it looks to be in really good shape. I don't know if it's been restored or if it's all original, but it looks pretty good. And it is a V8 badge on the front of it, which I'm guessing would make it flathead V8, as old as the truck is. It's sitting up on the trailer, so I do have permission for videos and pictures, but you know, I don't have permission to get up on the trailer. But I thought y'all would really like to see this. This is the definition of classic cars and parts right here. And if you like this video, stay tuned, because now that I know where the other one's at, I'm going to go see how many more they have. Thanks for tuning in. And again, this is Field Agent 440 for Bob's Classic Cars and Parts.